Ayan guys, good morning. Labas na daw. So, nandito kami ngayon sa city guys. Magpapa-ID si Muning at si Ashley. Tapos, pagkatapos bibili kami ng school supplies ni Ashley. Ayaw na, abang. So, pasok muna kami sa office. Kunin namin yung requirements and then punta na kami sa school nila. Kain lang ako sandali. Sandali lang. Oh, susi. Maaari bang kaibigan? Aalis na lang. Uy! Yawa! Buisit ka! Ha? Ano yan? Yung bio na cobra. Yung mga super crunch ayaw. Kabaan. Sakay may tricycle guys. Sakay may tricycle kay Lison mag-parking sa gawa sa Holy. Asa? Dira na gate? Pwede di ay. Dili man na pwede magawas dira. Shortcut mo?
We're in Ashley School and picture name. How are you going to
Okay. Oh, wala. Thank you. Ano siya? Asa ang neck? Okay na na. Ready na change siya?
manual?
Yeah. You can do the chargeable one.
Chargeable.
You can bring the like that with the Jisoo Life fan.
If this
You have to get used to it.
the no electricity.
The no aircon. There's fan man.
Well, the fan doesn't really work because the fan is only focused on the high ranks, like the president.
Bakit?
I don't know.
It's not fair.
That was last year, and we were in the middle. We were in the
Thank
middle
you.
row.
Go na.
It was not fair because they only focused on the left and right. We were in the middle row, so we had fun.
Let's go.
Jump on the road.
Yan ay, kinit kayo.
Nakita ko nagdagan doon ang dagan.
Asa? Kinit tayo. Para na yung para tricycle. Tawag pa tricycle. Raise your hand. Sa may JNG, kuya, dira. Go in the front, Ash.
Oh my God, it's my face.
Ara lang dira sa unahan niya. Sa harap sa Jagan Hospital. Ulog ka. Dili ko iya. mom is here because it's Ate Bal's birthday.
Let me guess, we're celebrating in the office.
You change the Ash, then we go to the school supply.
So for Maneng, is she going to buy her school supplies?
Hindi po, isang notebook lang need niya. Di magbayad lang siya ng isang notebook.
What about pencil?
Oo. Ayan, next stop namin guys, eh pupunta kami sa... Saan tayo punta?
To the moon. Huh?
Saan tayo punta?
We're going to buy school supplies.
Okay, tapos meron 1,000 budget si Ashley guys. Si Moning meron siyang 100 budget. Okay, meron na daw siyang gamit sa school. So, seatbelt on.
Oops.
No, seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
Mahulog yan, George. Yung cellphone.
Let's go.
Are you sure yourself?
Sige lang.
Oh my God, what a real Colombia.
You have 100
Paper.
pesos. I'm not buying that.
This one intermediate, oh. Get one.
But it has tape.
Yeah, to not tear it.
Are you sure it won't?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, because
Oh, na.
no.
Hmm. Yellow pad.
Well, that's good. So that's two. And then the next.
Why two? Only one.
Why one?
That's a lot. Only one now. 1.8. You only have 1,000. We will get short later. You get one first and then when we have sobra later, then we will add.
Okay.
Okay. Yellow pad. Okay, next. 1/2 lengthwise. This one. Lengthwise, crosswise. 1/4.
They all have tape.
Yeah. They are doing that to lock the papers. Don't remove it.
Where are we going to pay it?
Ang gani, don't remove na. Later na when you use it. 1/4. 1/2. 1/4. Okay. Notebook. There's a lot of option there. Na, ito lang yung pencil case nila, Ash. Oh, labubu.
Oh, come on.
Let's go. Let's go na. There pa, oh, many pa there. Come. Big notebook. Big notebook, no?
Right, big one. Wait, let me just change. The last time I had this,
Big notebook. Hindi ka magkuha?
where's that big?
Pero,
This one? That's a very good example.
dili na? Next. Hindi yan pang school, Ash.
It's not book.
No. Bond paper. Short and long, you get 20s.
No. Get yours, Malay. You have 100 pesos.
Ayan. Get one and get short.
Where do I put this? I can't put it in my bag.
Sige lang, ipondo mo lang sa bahay. Kaya every time you need it, you keep on asking for one.
Sure? Is that short?
Oo. A4 yan, hindi. Ito yung short. Oh, sige lang, you get A4 also.
Okay.
Get it. Oh, they have dog scissors. Let's go.
Yeah, I have 100 pesos maybe. What's that? Key tag. Wait, that's useful. I have in case if I lost the key and it's in the POD, I can tell if that's my key or not. Is that even helpful? They're in pack. I don't know if they have separate.
I'm just gonna put it there.
Mm. Two every color. Yung joy lang, yung joy.
What's yours?
Ito oh, yung ganito oh. Ayan oh, may white oh, white.
I don't want white.
We get two gani every color.
I want to have it too.
You find the other color.
There's actually so many whites. Wow. There's so many whites there. Oh, Georgie, I want this.
10 colors.
Yeah, I thought Jericho was.
Ayan, sila na kabuok.
Can Jericho have two because he's gonna see this?
Sige, pasalubong natin sa Jericho.
How about? It's not enough for money, right?
Sige, ko ano ba? 6.
Let's go here.
2. Sige pa. Kulang pa 4. 3. 4.
Is that enough?
Kulang pa. 2. 4. 5. Oh. Kay Jericho. 1.
Not one.
Kani sa store ni. Para sa store ni. Pagkuha para kay Jericho.
Where's mine?
Ang kapod kay, sorry po. Ang kapod kay mo, ha?
Oh,
Be.
here. Kaning kay Jericho, akin eh.
Oh. Tama na ha? Bodol na kay ka. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hinay lang kay makaigo ka.
Oh my god, there's a block.
Tingnan mo kung kabot ka 1,000 no? And morning. May pang medyas ka pa. Ayan guys, tapos na kami bumili. Nakuha ni Ate Ashley lahat. Pero yung nabayaran lang 1,000 yung budget, kalahati lang yung nabili niya. Meron pa siyang 500 para allowance niya sa mga things na hindi nabili. No? So, in the first class, syempre may mga requirements. And then, we will use for the folders, envelope that the teacher will require. Yun siya. Calculator. Yung scientific calculator kasi yun yung ginagamit sa mga higher grades. No, so meron pa siyang budget pambili. So si Muning yung binili niya sa 100 pesos niya guys anong binili mo Ning? Sa 100 pesos mo?
Coloring book and Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. So yung
But her notebook costs 60. So how much is the clay?
hindi 60 or 25 lang.
Dili man, nakita ko ang Kuromi.
60? Ay, ano lang yung clay niya? 35. Mm.
So why
So-
is the notebook 60?
So, 95 na lang. 95 yung nakuha niya sa 100.
So she has 5 pesos.
Meron pa siyang 5 pesos. So,
Just 5 pesos.
I
sige
said
lang.
there's 115.
Say 115.
Hindi lagi mag-fight over ano eh.
We're over light.
Oh come on, I get half, she gets 5 pesos.
Sige lang. Because you have different things in the school month. So, if her mom gave her also 1,000 pesos, then she have more money than you.
What do you mean?
Mm. So, what if your mom gave you 1,000 and Muning 1,000 also, and you buy 594 and Muning only buy 195? Then she have more money than you, 905.
No, she would spend all her free will on colors.
Mm.
I'm gonna give you a.
Patakat niya mo.
Fix your hair ni, oh. So messy.
It's just a singot.
Rami. You turn on the AC there in your feet.
I put it.
Already?
Daily oy pataka.
I already look.
Hey, look
Ayan.
at that check.
Maulan na naman. Umuulan.
Red and blue.
Basta June, guys. Ting-ulan yun siya sa Jansan.
Oh my god.
It's in June summer basically.
Tapos yung ulan dito, guys, hindi siya by city. Yung ulan dito by Purok. So kung dito na area umuulan, sa kabilang barangay hindi umuulan o sa kabilang Purok. Ganyan yung ulan dito sa Jansan. Okay. So what's next? This is 12 pieces. 24 pieces.
Per box?
24 pieces na yung ilagay mo. So, ayan guys, si Ashley nag-encode, no? Tinuturuan ko siya mag-encode para in case na absent ako or hindi ako dito naka-duty for today. So, dito naman siya palagi nag-work. So, she will be doing the encoding, no? Siya yung mag-a-add ng items. So, ito ngayon, school supplies yung mga i-a-add namin. So, ina-explain ko sa kanya. Kasi ito, nakuha namin siya 22 pesos sa market, no? Doon sa pinabilihan namin. So, nagtanong siya bakit malaki daw masyado yung tubo ko dito. Hindi, like, nabili namin 22, so binibenta namin ng 30 pesos. So, ano yun yung reason, Ash?
Because if the other stores don't have the same thing what they're selling, you can have the right to make the profit higher. But the
Yeah.
maximum is 20 to 35%.
Yeah. So, hindi naman siya talagang times 2, no? Pero yung advantage lang is kung wala yung ibang tindahan nito at dito naghahanap, so, kailangan nating bilhin kasi at the same time, sasabihan natin sila na meron tayo bukas or sa ibang araw. Sadya naubusan lang yung sinasabi ko sa inyo palagi. So, ngayon meron na tayo. So, minarkapan ko siya ng 35%. Na hindi naman siya fixed. So, parang market, lang siya. Yung parang estimated price ng mga ganitong item. So, nag-price ako dito ng 30 pesos. So, yung 30 pesos guys, hindi na siya masakit sa bulsa, no? Kung ayun lang talaga yung sadya mong bilihin. Hindi naman siya yung needs talaga. So, itong whiteboard marker, bihira lang may naghahanap. So, matutulog yung capital natin dito. So, kaya papatungan din natin siya ng profit, no? Na medyo makaginansya tayo. Ayan. So, these items is not really sellable. So, our money from here will get stuck up on the shelf.
Okay.
So, we have to get a higher profit from this. Because it's not the needs, unlike the rice. So, this one next. Oh, yeah. Wait. Scissors na 91. Bakit kasi iba-iba yung scissors na binili eh? Dapat lang, uniform. 91. So this one, 3 pieces. So may naghahanap sa amin din ng gunting kasi abre klase na guys.
Scissors, Joy.
Joy, scissors. So mabilis si Ashley sa keyboard. So madali lang siya. And then marunong siya sa spelling. Hindi na siya mahirap turuan. Sa pricing na lang. Yeah, lagyan mo ng 7 inches. 7, ano yung tawag dito, Ash?
Inches? Or do you want me to put the
Yeah, inches. No, the lang.
inches?
The sign.
Ah, okay.
Anong tawag dito, Ash?
Which
Yung
one?
sa ganitong sign?
Inches.
Hindi, yung... okay, sige. Joy Scissor 7 inches. So, yung cost niyan is 144 for 3 items. So, 144 divided by 3. 48 pesos yung cost. So, benta natin siya ng 20% 60. Okay, 47.
of that.
48 no? 48 plus 25%. Oh, 25% pala. So, ayan, 60 pesos. Okay. So, lagyan natin ito ng 60.
Hey, can I have it back?
Okay.
2 pieces.
Wala kasing ano dito sa amin guys, yung malaking school supplies dito sa area no, ng tindahan. So, bago lang may bumili ng maraming notebook. Magkano kayo yung marker, Ash?
30.
30 each. Lego nito Tapos ito, gunting 60.
60? Oh, 60.
Next ito. Yung malaking gunting.
Short premium. Short. Paper.
8 inch. Ayan.
It's
So yung
premium,
cost
but it's
nito,
1 inch different.
yeah, but it's too big, no? 98.
90.
So, 255 yung cost divided by 3. 85 yung cost nito.
And then,
Plus 25%, 105. 3 pieces.
and then the next one.
1111 consumer. Joy Scissors 6 inches. Joy Scissors lang.
It
will
says
do.
stainless over
It's
here.
okay lang. Doesn't matter. Because of the barcode. Joy Scissors 6 inches. So this one is 75 divided by 3 pieces. 25 yung cost. Plus 25%, 32.
How many pieces?
3. 3 also.
Okay.
Tapos po,
$1,002.
wala pa. Yan pa. Can you search up for the index card? Naka-buy 10 siya. So this one, 100 pieces. So 10 piece, 10 packs each. 10 packs. Divide na lang ako daan. Iparipak na niya ha. So yung 24 divided by 10. 2.4. Ano Ash, you add another item, another product with new barcode.
Like
1203839.
No, 40.
120
40.
index card
Index card
18
18.
or 3.5 inches.
3.5.
Ay, wait sa us. Excuse me. You open with all the index card. Naka-buy 10 din yan. I think we don't have to add new product. Nakuha na ba ni Rex ang ano te, coins?
Here.
Asa si Rex? Nada yung ipapakot lang. Ang ano, mga pukari sa likod o mga expire. There ka na yung mana nito. Pan size. Ayan, so natapos na ang buong araw na may take out.
Hala, oy.
Take out mo ano? Chicken curry. Sa akin din chicken curry para kay Diril.
Chicken curry din yan?
Yes.
Ang sarap talaga, maraming kapatid.
Oh, napag tayo mo ang take out? Kaldero dyan mo ha?
Ano ba yan? iPhone 17 Pro Max, madilim pa din.
Bakit ba?
Bayad kayo 120,000 sa cellphone, madilim
Dito
pa
kasi,
din.
oh. Ikaw lang kasi ang madilim, oh.
Ay, ang black beauty, may brown beauty morena.